What if someone could handle your grocery list, write your kid's bedtime story, plan every meal for the week, and do all of it while your coffee is still hot? That's not some future fantasy. That's what moms right now are doing with AI tools that are completely free. I'm going to show you exactly which tools, exactly how to use them, even if you've never touched anything like this before. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes. By the end, you'll have 5 hours back every single week. Let's be honest about where those hours actually go. According to a 2024 study, the average mom spends over 5 hours a week just on household planning, meal planning, grocery lists, scheduling, and keeping everyone organized. That's before the actual doing. And here's what nobody tells you. Most of that time isn't even the hard part. It's the repetitive thinking. The what are we having Tuesday? The did I add detergent? The what time is soccer practice? AI is extraordinarily good at exactly this kind of repetitive mental load. It doesn't replace you. It handles the boring parts, so you can focus on the parts that actually matter, the parts only you can do. I'm going to show you 3 tools today. All free, all simple enough to use on your phone right now, and I'll actually demo each one on screen so you can follow along. Tool number 1 is the one I get the most messages about. ChatGPT. You've probably heard the name. Here's why moms specifically love it. Type this exact sentence. Give me a 5-day dinner meal plan for a family of 4. We don't eat fish. Keep it under 30 minutes per meal. Include a grocery list. Watch what happens. In 10 seconds, you have a full week of dinners and every ingredient you need. Organized, ready to screenshot and take to the store. Now here's the part that changes everything. You can talk back to it. If it suggested something your kids won't touch, just say, replace Tuesday's meal with something kids love. Done? It's like texting a really smart friend who never gets annoyed. Other ways moms are using ChatGPT this week. Writing thank you notes for teachers. Drafting a message to another parent about a difficult situation. Creating a birthday party checklist. Explaining something confusing from school homework. Time saved per week from ChatGPT alone. Approximately 2 hours. And that's being conservative. Tool number 2. Canva AI. You might already know Canva as the app for making birthday invitations or school flyers. They've added AI features that are genuinely remarkable. Open Canva, canva.com, free account. Here's what I want to show you. Click Create a Design. Then look for the magic wand icon, that's the AI button. Type, birthday invitation for a 7-year-old girl, unicorn theme, pink and purple. A fully designed, print-ready invitation. In 15 seconds. That would have taken an hour to make by hand, or cost $30 to order from someone on Etsy. You can edit anything. Change the name, the date, the colors, all drag and drop. Canva AI also does. School project posters, family photo cards for holidays, meal schedule charts you can put on the fridge, permission slip templates. For moms who are visually organized, this tool alone is worth downloading today. Canva is free. The AI features are included in the free version for basic use. Tool number 3 is the one that ties everything together, Notion AI. Notion is an organizational app. Think of it as a notebook, calendar, and to-do list that all talk to each other. The AI version helps you build your entire family system in one place. Open Notion, notion.com, free version. Here's what I set up in under 5 minutes for this video. Weekly schedule for every family member. Grocery list that auto-organizes by store section. A meal plan that links to the grocery list. A chores tracker for kids. The AI button lets you say things like, add a weekly reminder to check backpacks every Sunday, or create a morning routine checklist for school days. It sounds complicated. It is not complicated. If you can make a note on your phone, you can use Notion. The free plan covers everything a family needs. What Notion AI replaces, the sticky notes on the fridge, the group chat chaos with your partner, the 11 p.m. Wait, what time is the dentist panic? ChatGPT handles your meal planning and the mental load of writing. Saves roughly 2 hours a week. Canva AI handles anything visual. Saves about 90 minutes. Notion AI organizes your whole family system. Saves at least another 90 minutes. That's 5 hours. Every week. Back in your life, none of these tools cost anything to start. None of them require you to be a tech person. All three work on your phone. If I had to pick one to start with today, start with ChatGPT. The meal planning alone will make you wonder how you lived without it. One last thing before you go. On my main channel, Global Economy Explained, I cover how AI is changing the entire world. Jobs, money, what's coming next. Link is right up here. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next week, and drop in the comments, which of these three will you try first?